Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kezhaya from the Auto Shop here in beautiful Plano, Texas, and I have to tell you, we get asked all the time, how come it costs so much to fix my car? Well, you know, that's really a great question, and I really have a great answer for you today, so we're going to push this button. All right, this little beauty right here that we're looking at is a thermostat, and the thermostat regulates the temperature of the engine. When this is set in the cooling system, and it actually stops the flow of coolant through the radiator so it doesn't cool down as fast. When the spring reaches a certain temperature, it relaxes and allows the fluid to flow through this opening. Now, this is a normal, regular, everyday thermostat that is used on a lot of vehicles, and you know, it's one of those parts that's 15 to 20 bucks and everybody's happy. Well, here's a new thermostat. Let's take a look at this. This thermostat is electronically controlled. It has a temperature sensor right here with the gray connector. It has the sensor for the position of the thermostat, as well as it's built into the special housing. It's got multiple hose connectors on it, and just this part is $350. So you look at it and you go, holy crumb, how come it costs so much to replace a thermostat on my car? Well, believe it or not, sometimes a thermostat is more than just a thermostat. And that's what I want to show you with today's issue of why does it cost so much to fix my car? So if you have any questions all about how to take care of your vehicle or who's working on your car, please give us a call here at the Auto Shop at 972-578-0588 or look us up at the web at www.theautoshop.com. I'm Jerry Kezhaya, and click the little like button. I appreciate it. Talk to you soon.